like the mountains,
a little bit of history,
and hot water,
then
come with us. We're the Letter Ladies. Hello again. It's the Letter Ladies, and we are on our way to Odessa, Washington to hike up to an O. But we wanted to show you what the terrain looks like out here in eastern Washington, because it's kind of going to be amazing that there's actually a hillside letter. So let me show you. So it's pretty flat out here in eastern Washington. There's a few little hills, but I mean, it's not a regular hillside letter adventure. This is definitely flatter than normal. So we're pretty excited to see what the O in Odessa, Washington is going to be on. Hope you'll come along with us. Well, it says it should almost be right down here. I wonder... Oh! There it is. Oh.
I can go slow, no one's behind me.
Okay. There's our O. That's not what we were expecting at all. Wow. It's an O moment. Ooh. Ah.
Now what are we doing?
So we are here in Odessa, Washington, which is eastern Washington, and we are going to go to the O up on the hillside. Can we see the O on the hillside? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's up there. So it's right there. Okay.
It's right. Oh, that's better.
That's better. Okay. So we're going to hike up there, and we're just going to do our usual thing. So we're going to go up and hike. So we're going to take off here. There's two ways to get to this O. And the first way is if you go to the, what is it called? The Zion
Lutheran Church.
Zion Lutheran Church. And you can park in their parking lot, and the O's right there. Or if you feel like you want a bit of more of a hike, like we do today, we're going to start on the 8th Street
Parking
turnaround. So that is where we are right now.
Oh yeah, you could start down there by the telephone pole.
Well, that's what I was wondering too as we were driving by that. This just goes right down to whatever that was. That was 6th Street.
Yeah.
So we went up to 8th Street and we parked, and then you can't miss it. Really, Odessa is small enough that you could start pretty much anywhere. You could start from a bar, you could start from a parking lot at the church. Pretty darn sure you can go anywhere you'd like to go, and you could get to this O. Okay, so we're hiking up the little hill here on our way to the O, and this is just
a well-groomed trail.
It's a well-groomed trail. We talked to Amy at the City of Odessa, and the City of Odessa is wonderful. You can call on a Friday afternoon, and Amy will answer the phone. And she's the one that said that we could come up here, no problem. This may or may not be on private land, but she said to go for it. So that's what we're doing.
And we'll call Amy if we need to be bailed out.
Right. Pretty sure Amy knows who the chief of police is here. This is pretty darn easy. One of the things Amy did tell us is that that's their water tower. So the water tower is right next to the O. There's a lot of landmarks here. You really should not be able to miss this thing. Okay, so we decided that we were going to be very daredevilish with our new drone, and we're going to thread it through the O. And so here we go. Renee's doing a great job. Nice job, Renee. You did it, Renee. Beautiful.
Is that good?
And you can just bring it over here and we'll land it.
Oh, okay.
This is like... Hi, it's the letter ladies again.
We got left in the dark.
We're the letter ladies. This is our Halloween special.
Sorry. Hi, it's the letter ladies again. So, we're so sad. We were told that the Odessa O was lit up. So we went up to Soap Lake. We had
Which
dinner.
is 40 miles away. Had a great dinner.
Great dinner in Soap Lake. Drove all the way back because now it's finally dark enough. And the O is not lit up. So we'll show you what we're looking at. Or not looking at, is the case may be. We're a little sad. So we're shining our flashlight up there. And I am sure you cannot see. This is probably just as dark as it comes.
I guess we can get closer to it so you can see it.
Okay. No. Oh gosh, we're so bummed. We're almost back up here. Okay, let me see if I can get a good picture of this. Okay, so this is a wrap here at Odessa, Washington, and the O, which is not lit up at night.
You're not
Like-
right back here waiting for it.
We're a little disappointed, but you know, it's all in the hunt, I guess, right? So we're glad you guys joined us,
Please like our post and subscribe to our channel.
and we have an Instagram too, Letter Ladies Hiking.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, that's it. Until the next letter.
Come join us. Toodles.
Mark?
And you have lived here your whole life?
Yeah.
In Odessa, Washington. And you say that the O should be lit up.
Yes.
And it's always lit up.
Always lit up.
Okay. But this O wasn't put up until maybe the 70s or 80s?
Probably the 80s.
Okay. So
I'd say 80s.
it's a pretty new letter.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
So
might even been the 90s. I mean,
really?
yeah.
Okay. It looks like a beautiful O. We
Yeah.
went up and saw it and everything.